I'm Ahmad Farizal bin Abdul Karim. My wife Tengku Norina binti Tengku Nasruddin. We have 4 lovely children, 3 daughters and 1 son. Originally we are from Perak, but we have been staying in KL since the 90s. So actually we are considered wilayah residents. We have been living in the house since 2015, and we recently decided to install lift after COVID.
I guess I have 4 kids and I'm also taking care of my mom. I work in oil and gas company, and then in terms of the lifestyle, in actual fact we are quite an active. We love to travel and like to having hobbies lah. Like walking. So
as I said, we are getting older.
Very young.
Yeah, I am already like 55. So basically, we wanted to stay in our own room rather than usually when you get older, you tend to go downstairs, and we want to enjoy the house until our old age. So I presume we need a easier way for us to go up to our room and down. So I think lift at the end of the day is practical. It's all our amenities, our kitchens is always downstairs. So I think it's about time that we install lift, and we need to find one which is suitable to the design, to the house design. So I think Nibav, my wife actually is the one who looked for it. Now I think lift design many forms.
Yeah.
So the installation is much easier.
I guess in terms of the uniqueness, it's fit for all purpose, be it for the old age, middle age, even for the maid. We can put our luggage and go up. I think that's the main thing. It's fit on purpose, and then it can be the maintenance quite low compared to other types of lift, because it's their home lift. So in terms of technicality, it's already fit my purpose lah.
Okay.
It's cheaper in terms of electricity too.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And then of course, for me, at the end of the day, the most important things is my mom, because I'm taking care of her. So rest assured that I can easily bring her to up and down or whatever lah, in terms of the emergencies. Yeah, I think that's
the product, which is actually, to me, is good. Fit, like what my wife said, fit for purpose, very practical, nice design. So in terms of product, I would give it very high rating of 9 to 10. It becomes very good investment for us. And again, hopefully it works for many years, the lift. And it's all the best to Nibav.
My families, my friends and all, the excitement that is they are very excited about it. In fact, my niece also asked where actually you bought it, because very practical, especially for those having knee problems. So it's really they are so excited, and when they keep on testing it. Yeah, how's your bill? Is it maintenance good? Actually, we are the ambassador for you. Kan? I mean, that's the excitements, and then the practicality when we the one that share, not they are like a momentum growth for you guys. It's really good. Beside I think the beautiful part of it, the unique about it is good, and then I think in terms of renovations, very minimal renovations during the design, because for us we built this house. We are not so they can practically adjust of it. Yeah, your technical teams. Yeah. Unique, and then if you talk about one word, even though there's 3 words inside it, for me is fit for purpose.
And I do hope that Nibav can grow much more in Malaysia,
Yeah.
installing more lift.
To help the quality of life lah for the people.
Yeah.
Okay?